SpriCAD for AutoCAD and BricsCAD version 5. Cover area with sprinklers. Menu item, cover area with sprinklers. Open a file with a floor plan. In this example, a hall is to be provided with ceiling protection. Start the function. After calling up the function, the dialog box opens. Arrangement normal and shifted is possible. First set the distance values and then define the values for the sprinklers in the sprinkler dialog. Then the values for the branch pipes. Select boundary. Here, a polyline is required in advance. With apply, data which are already entered are taken over. Left the dialog and create a polyline. If you want to set the sprinklers at a certain height from the floor, set the set value of the polyline to the desired value beforehand. Select boundary. The sprinkler symbols, including branch pipes, are now created according to the set specifications within the closed polyline. Set the distribution pipe and the branch pipes will be divided automatically. Delete branch pipes you do not need and manually adjust your network to the conditions in the building. The base for the ceiling protection net is now set and can be further adapted as desired. You can watch the following innovations in other videos. Calculation of hydrant systems combined with sprinkler systems, the merging of files, the floor management. Check our website and get your 14 days demo version free of charge as a full version.